Fine Art Solutions completely transformed this lecture hall into a high-tech, multi-purpose conference hall. The command center starts here at the digital podium. Featuring a built-in touch interface and seamless connectivity, it allows the speaker to manage the entire session with a single touch. For visual excellence, we've installed a large-size interactive display as the centerpiece, complemented by 3 additional auxiliary screens to ensure every student has a perfect view. Behind the scenes, our centralized automation and professional audio rack power the experience. This setup manages 36 delegate and chairman microphones across the tables for crystal clear collaboration. The system is fully equipped for video conferencing with dual auto-tracking cameras designed to bridge the gap between physical and virtual participants effortlessly. Engineered for clarity, control, and performance, this is the future of smart education technology. This video was made during the installation AVS system. Some work still on progress.